Creating the perfect meal plan. Tips for planning ahead and saving time, especially for new chefs and restaurant owners. Welcome, aspiring chefs. Are you struggling to manage menus at your restaurant or hotel? Do you find yourself spending too much time figuring out what to cook each day? Fear not, we have some valuable tips and tricks that will help you create the perfect meal plan while saving time, money, and energy. Here are some pointers to keep in mind. Start with a weekly menu. Planning ahead is key. Create a weekly menu that includes a variety of proteins, veggies, and healthy carbs. Consider any special events or activities that might affect your schedule. Create a shopping list. Once your weekly menu is ready, make a shopping list to avoid buying unnecessary items. Organize your list by the sections in the store for efficient shopping. Prep ahead. Use your weekends to prep ingredients for the upcoming week. This could include washing and chopping veggies or cooking proteins. You can also cook grains like rice or quinoa in bulk for use throughout the week. Batch cook. Choose a day to cook a big batch of something, such as chili, soup, or roasted veggies. This can be used for multiple meals throughout the week, saving you time and money. Stay flexible. Remember, life can be unpredictable. Don't stress if you need to rearrange your meal plan or make last-minute substitutions. The key is to have a plan in place that will help you stay organized and focused on serving healthy, nutritious meals. In conclusion, these tips and tricks will help you manage menus at your restaurant or hotel efficiently, while ensuring the satisfaction of your guests. Start with a weekly menu, create a shopping list, prep ahead, batch cook, and stay flexible. With a little planning, you'll be able to create a perfect meal plan that saves you time, money, and stress. We wish you happy cooking and success in your culinary journey. If you're looking to elevate your culinary skills, check out IBCA, India's premium culinary art school. Admission is open for the July 2023 batch. Contact us today to learn more.